And I'll count you down the same way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and begin.
You're going to start by picking up your firing device and placing it back on safe. Disconnect the fire wire disconnect the fire wire from the firing device. Replace all dust covers. Then you're going to untie your wire from the stake. Make sure there's no knots. Throwing the wire in front of your covered position. If it gets stuck on the sandbag like it did, as you saw, just crawl up, unstick it. You're gonna move back down to your emplacement site. For this one, it says you still have to do it in a tactical manner. For this one, since you have your weapon and no spool in your hand, tactical enough for us is the low ready. You're about to see. Once you get back to your Claymore, the first step you do is ensure that there are no booby traps on your Claymore. To do so, you can wave your hand in front of the Claymore in any way, shape, or fashion or orientation that you want, checking for booby traps. If there are none, remove the camouflage. You're going to start by disarming your Claymore. To disarm it, remove the shipping plug that has the blasting cap in it, because you're probably going to no-go if you do the other one. Remove the blasting cap from the shipping plug. Place the shipping plug on the ground and replace your blasting cap into your spool. Then you go back to your shipping plug and place it inverted. Is anybody confused by the term inverted? Okay. You'll invert the shipping plug back into your Claymore. And then repack your Claymore into your bandolier. Then you'll untie your wire from the stake. All right, this next part, I believe it's Recover Claymore Mine, Step 2, Section Golf. It does not state in any way, shape, or form of how you have to spool up your Claymore or spool up your wire and get back to your covered position, but this is the way we recommend doing it to mitigate ending up with a rat's nest of wire and struggling to put it in your bandolier back at the covered position. Start by removing your blasting cap and re-spooling from the blasting cap side first. If you have a knot, do your best not to touch the blasting cap. Like I said, this is not a graded part. It just says re-spool and head back to your covered position. Okay? That's how I recommend doing it. Pulling it from the blasting cap side, head back to your covered position while we're wrapping up your spool. Everybody's day good? Kind of long today.
Wasn't too happy with the room inspection last night.
I heard. Alright. Once everything's re-spooled back up, you take your spool, place it back in your bandolier. Time will stop when you put the flap over the bandolier. Look at your grader and say, I'm done.